Okay, so here's the first question. Find and simplify an expression. So we need to put f of x into g of x. So we're putting e of x into this equation here. So gf of x equals 2 e of x cubed plus 11. And this can be simplified using 2e x times 3, 3x. Part B. State the domain and range of this. So, firstly, starting with the domain, what x values can go into it? Well, because f of x has a restricted domain, you can see here, what this means is that this is going to alter the domain for this function. So the domain is going to be x is more than 0. This is taken from f of x. And for the range, we need to look at what possible values e of 3x can be. Well, if x has to be bigger than 0, then it obviously can't be negative. So this is 2 times 1 plus 11, plus 11, which is equal to 13. What this is impossible for e of 3 to the x to be less than 1. So the smallest this can be is 13. So to write this properly, this means that g of f of x must be more than 13. Can't be equal to, because x can't be 0. X has to be more than 0. So part C. Solving this equation. So we are solving this equation here, subtracting 11. Gives this. Halving gives this. The inverse of e is log, and so 1/3 ln 8. This can probably be simplified to 8 is 2 to the power of 3, so this is 2. This is 3 ln 2, as 8 is 2 to the power of 3, so it's ln 2. Part D. So we've now got this equation here. It's saying state the range of possible values. So this means we need, the answer to this one is going to be some kind of inequality. So let's set this up. It's gf of x equals k. So this one's not so straightforward. State the range of possible values of k. I think this is the same as the range of g of x, although k is a constant. So I think the key in here is this has solutions. So if we solve it, we know that there's going to be solutions. So e to the 3x equals k minus 11 over 2. 3x equals ln k minus 11 over 2. So what they're saying is for this to have solutions, so if it has solutions, then we know that k minus 11 over 2 must be positive. So k minus 11 over 2 is greater than 0. K minus 11 is greater than 0. So k has to be greater than 11 for it to have solutions.